Hey guys, my name is BrittneyBeatsxo, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you guys so much. You guys know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. If you click this video, then you already know it's about my eyes. This is my very first time working with contacts, you guys. I have never worn contacts, like, ever. And these contacts took me so long to put in, but it's only because I've never tried contacts before. So if you know how to wear contacts, then this will be nothing for you, but it took me forever. And I think like now I kind of figured out how to put it in. But yeah, so if you like videos like this, then just stick around. Let's get right into it. So I was contacted to work by this company called IrisBeautyNYC. The company is based out of New York City, and they specialize in contacts. The contacts are FDA approved. Super comfortable once you get them in. So the contacts also come in either prescription contact, or you can just get a regular color contact. If you know me, then you know I'm basically blind. Like, I can't see crap. So I have an eye appointment at the end of this month so that I can get glasses. I might look into contacts now that I know how to put these in. So I actually might try out contacts. But these contacts that I'm wearing today are not prescription contacts because I don't know what my prescription is yet because I haven't had my eyeglass appointment. If you hear little noises on the side, that's my guinea pig, so I do have to apologize. She's a baby and she's thirsty, so I'm not going to take her water from her or move her out of my room because it's like impossible. The cage is huge. But yeah, so let me just show you how these come. So the company IrisBeautyNYC sent me a few things. So the first thing that they sent me are the contacts, and they'll come in this little box like this. I got the color Sugar Brown. And when you get them, they'll come in these little holders here. Some of the liquid is dripping out. I poured the liquid out into this thing. It was really nice that it came with this. I think all of them will come with this. Just the like little left and right thing so you know where to store your contacts, you know. So I thought that was nice that it came with this because I do not have a contacts holder, so that was like a little plus. IrisBeautyNYC also sells other makeup products like eyeliner. They sell eyebrow pencils, also magnetic falsies. I haven't tried the magnetic falsies yet, but I did try their eyebrow pencil here. I've been wearing it all day, guys, and I swear I believe that I actually wiped my brow earlier today, and I was like, crap, I wiped my eyebrow off, but when I looked in the mirror, my eyebrow did not budge. So this is eyebrow from all day. The only thing I did was clean it up some because I had been out all day. So this is the eyeliner pencil that they sent me. This is the darkest color that they have. I have it in a black. You can see there, I barely needed to swatch that. It's super dark. That's in like jet black. And this is the eyebrow pencil that I'm wearing. I love it because it comes with a little spoolie at the end. You can see that there. And it's retractable, so you can actually twist it up. You can actually twist it up, so you get a lot of product. A lot. That's a lot of product for an eyebrow pencil, so shout out to them. So even though I'm wearing it, I'll still swatch it for you guys. And that is in the darkest color right there. These are the magnetic eyelashes here, the eyelash extensions. And they look just like this in the box. I am excited to try these. I didn't wear these yet today, so I may be trying these over next weekend. So I do want to get back on track with the contacts and let you guys know that they are super comfortable. Mine have been in for about 30 minutes now, and I feel like I'm not wearing contacts, if that makes any sense. Like, once you get the hang of getting them in your eyes, then I think you'll be fine. So I do have some exciting news for you guys. IrisBeautyNYC did give us a coupon code, so I will leave it here, and then I'll also link it down below so that you guys can enter it if you want to get yourself some contacts, girl or boy. I did find out some guys watch me, so shout out to you guys that watch me. Y'all the real ones. Like, if you watch me and you're a guy, and if you're a straight guy that watch me, like, shout out to you. Like, y'all are the MVP. So if you guys are interested in getting some contacts, I'm leaving the discount code down below for you guys so you can get some money off, save your coins. And thank you, IrisBeautyNYC, for taking me under your wing and working with me. I love this collaboration, and I love all your makeup products. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any further video requests, then let me know down below. If you have any feedback, also let me know down below, and all my links, coupon codes will be down below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye!